book is Angry Cookie. Oh, not you again. Ah, it's so bright, my eyes. Close this book this very second, you nosy noodle. Don't even think about turning the page. I'm warning you, I'm very angry. And there's nothing you can do about it. You're so annoying. Mind your own business. Goodbye. The end. Hello? Ahem. Cough, cough. Hint, hint. Meaning? Go away. Close this book now. Oh, still here are you? Well. I guess if you are planning to sticking around, perhaps I could tell you a little bit about why I'm so angry. That doesn't mean we're going to be friends or anything, so don't get any funny ideas. It all started yesterday when my roommate Barbara got out her new recorder. She only knows this one terrible song and keeps playing it over and over again. I hate the recorder. And you're not even allowed to use the word hate. But I just did, so there. And then all the delicious, yummy strawberry pudding toothpaste ran out. So I had to use the grown-up spicy kind. Ah! It burns! Then I had to get a haircut. It was hanging in my eyes, you see. Cookies need haircuts too, you know. Ah! But I let my barber try a new look on me. And my hair looked worse. So now I have to wear this hat. And no hats even fit my big round head because I'm a cookie. And they don't make hats for cookies, do they? Ha! Look at that cookie wearing a too small hat for himself. Ha ha! Hee hee! 1, 2, 1. Oh! Oops! Furious, I then took myself and the hat to the ice cream parlor. I had my heart set on the best, most wonderful vanilla sundae with a hot caramel sauce and whipped cream and marshmallows and hundreds and thousands and millions of chocolate sprinkles and even a red cherry on top served in a tall glass. Oh boy! Hi! Squeaky squeaky. But they had run out of the best, most wonderful vanilla sundae with hot caramel sauce and whipped cream and marshmallows and hundreds and thousands and millions of chocolate sprinkles and even the red cherry. They did have a tall glass. But it was empty. But no. On my way home, a bird tried to snack on me. Get off! Shoo! I shouted. Ah! But I don't think cookies are heard. Maybe that's why I'm so angry at the whole world. Because nobody listens to me. Nobody sticks around. Uh-oh. Although, I guess you're still here, are you? Wow, that is a nice surprise. Hi. I guess my haircut isn't so bad. Perhaps I can maybe take this too small hat off? And actually, Barbara's song isn't so annoying when you get used to it. Maybe my glass isn't so empty after all. I don't even need ice cream when I have you. You keep coming back. You listen to me when I'm being a grumpy lump, a meanie moody, a moany mongoose, a sulky sandwich, a horrid hump, an angry cookie. You're still here. And that makes me not so angry anymore. In fact, I feel happy. And that's why you keep coming back, right? Thanks, friend. Toot toot. Oh, Barbara. The end. What is your favorite part of the story? My favorite part of the story is when he was brushing his teeth and the spicy toothpaste was burning him. This book is about Grumpy Bird. When Bird woke up, he was grumpy. He was too grumpy to eat. He was too grumpy to play. In fact, he was too grumpy to fly. Looks like I'm walking today, said Bird. Bird walked past Sheep. Good morning, Bird, said Sheep. What are you doing? Walking, said Bird. Nice, said Sheep. I'll keep you company. Bird walked past Rabbit. Hi there, Bird, said Rabbit. What are you doing? I'm walking, said Bird. It's no fun. I could use some exercise, said Rabbit. I'll walk too. Bird walked past Raccoon. Hey, Bird, said Raccoon. What are you doing? I'm walking, snapped Bird. What does it look like? It looked fun, said Raccoon. I'm coming too. Bird walked past Beaver. Hello, Bird, said Beaver. What are you doing? Let me give you a hint, said Bird. You do it by placing one foot in front of the other. Walking, guessed Beaver. I love walking. Bird walked past Fox. Good day, Bird, said Fox. What are you doing? Why does everyone want to know what I'm doing? Shouted Bird. I'm just walking, okay? Okay, said Fox. Let's go. Bird walked. The other animals walked. Bird stopped. The other animals stopped. Bird stood on one leg. The other animal stood on one leg. Bird jumped. The other animals jumped. Hey, this is fun, said Bird. Come on, said Bird, who had forgotten all about being grumpy. Let's fly back to my nest to have a snack. And they did. The end. What was your favorite part of the story? My favorite part of the story is where Bird gave them a worm for a snack.